What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, showing y'all some quick, easy little deals y'all can do from Family Dollar. And y'all might want to check these out on Saturday for even more savings. Y'all, I am limited to certain stores I can go to because of my car situation. I know y'all sick of me talking about my car, y'all, but that was something that was near and dear to me. And I never been without a car, and I'm in a new place, no family, so it ain't like I can call somebody and be like, "Hey, take me here, take me there," or actually call somebody to use their car to go to the store and go shopping. So my car to me right now is very precious, and it is sick right now. So I'm still coming with these deals though, so don't let that fool you. But before we get into these deals, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all, here are two deals that I did at the Family Dollar starting off. And this deal right here with the body washes, y'all, I need to restock on body washes. My body washes is looking kind of sad. So, Family Dollar got tons of body wash coupons. So, for starters, I went with the Dove because they have that spend 15 on Unilever products and get 5 off your next shopping trip. So I did that, and it gave me a 0 1 on the receipt. And I'm about to show y'all that real quick before I jump into the prices and all of that. So whenever you are doing a spin deal and you see that 0 1 on your receipt, that means you met the qualifications and gonna get that back. They haven't put it on my account yet, so I will be checking that in the morning. But I grabbed up 3 of the small Doves. They was $5.65 a piece, totaling $16.95. When I get that $5 back, it'll make all 3 of these $11.95 or $3.98 each. Then on the Irish Spring and Soft Soap, we have a coupon where you buy 2 of those, save $5. So what they did, the Irish Spring was $5.50. The soft soap was, I mean, $5.80. I'm sorry, and the soft soap was $5.80 as well. Well, they just took the $5 off of the soft soap, making it 80 cents. So for the both of these, I paid $6.60, making each one $3.30 each. Not bad. Then I had a coupon for a big Dow men's body wash. They are $7.95. We have a $2.75 off, making it $5.20. I did get we do have coupons for Dow body wash, the smaller ones, and for Suave. I did pick up 2 Suave body washes, but that $2 didn't come off for both of them. So I just told him to take them off, and I didn't want them. But yeah, y'all, these are the body washes I got first transaction. Then y'all, I don't know what's going on with the Family Dollar app, but it never ceases to amaze me because if you really paying attention to the coupons, they really be having some good coupons in the app. Because the whole time I'm thinking, if you get these type of game products, you save no, like, hold on, what was it? I don't know, y'all. I forgot how I thought it went, but this is if you buy 2, if you purchase $20 or more. Sorry, y'all, I'm trying to get it out to where it sounds right. So the happy and relaxed game products, they got the beads, the dryer sheets, the fabric softener, and the big bottle. So the coupons are, if you spend 20 or more, you save $5 on them. And I was thinking it was something else. I can't remember what I thought the coupons actually said. I don't know, but basically I got these two. They were $10.50. Basically, $21 is what both of these was. So they took $5 off of one, making it $5.50. So one I paid full price for, the other one was $5.50. Cannot beat that at all. So I got two more transactions from the Family Dollar that I want to show y'all. So let's get into those transactions as well. Okay, y'all, here was my next transaction. We're gonna start off with the hefty. It's the watermelon fabuloso bags, y'all. They these particular hefty bags got two coupons attaching, a $2 and a dollar off. So what they did, these are $6, but when you get two, they are two for 10. So one was 6 with a dollar off and $2 off, making it $3. Then the other one was $6 with a dollar off, making it 5. So the total for these two after the two coupons made them $8 or $4 each, which isn't bad. Plus, y'all got a new garbage can that requires me to get these big 30-gallon garbage cans, because I was tired of my little small garbage can, 13-gallon, getting full so quick. I was like, for Christmas, I want a big black garbage can. And one of my friends down here that I hang with to go couponing with sometimes, she's an older lady. She got it for me for Christmas, and I'm very appreciative of it, because she asked me yesterday, what you want for Christmas? I said a black garbage can. So she got me a black garbage can, and there it is sitting over there, y'all, my black garbage can. Okay, y'all, I got the 105 count Moonlight Breeze game dryer sheets. They were $4.90 with a dollar off, making them $3.90. Then we have the 14 count game flings. They are $4.90 with a dollar off, making them $3.90. Then on the Downy Com, it is $5.45. We have a dollar off, making it $4.45. Then I had got the 21 load tied with Downy. It was $5.80. We have a dollar off, making it $4.80. Then the 48 load tied simply was $7.40. We have a dollar off, making it $6.40. So the total for these items after coupons was $31.45, making everything $4.49 each. But if I would have waited till Saturday, my total for these products would have been $26.45, making each item $3.77 each. So yeah, y'all, that's why some of these items will be good to snatch up Saturday, just because we do get that extra $5 off. But if you can't wait until then, here's some cheap items that you can snatch up for a little to nothing without breaking the bank. So let me show y'all two or three more other things I got from the Family Dollar, then we gonna end this video. Okay, y'all, here are the last items I got. We're gonna start off with the Airwick, y'all. It was $4.50 with a $3 off, making it $1.50. That coupon is gone, but we do have a save $2.50 when you spend $12 or more on these. So I might grab some of these Saturday to get just stocked up on them and use that coupon. Then we have the Gain 32 loads. It's the small one. It is $6. We have $1 off, making it 5. Mr. Clean, and it's the small one. It is 4. We have $1 off, making it 3. Then another Gain dryer sheet. And I got the Moonlight Breeze ones because the original ones, y'all, the coupon for $1 off does not attach. It only attaches to the Moonlight Breeze dryer sheets. And I think the beads and the fabric softener. But it was $4.90. We have $1 off, making it $3.90. Then the Vaseline was $4.95. We got $2 off, making it $2.95. So the total after coupons for these items was $16.35, making each item $3.27 each. But y'all, that is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because no telling what type of deals I'll be popping out with next. And comment down below and let me know if y'all plan on getting out, doing some Saturday deals, whether it's Dollar General or Family Dollar, because I know some people don't have certain stores in their area. So just comment down below and let me know where y'all going, and if possible, what deal do you plan on doing Saturday? Because all ears, I want to know. Y'all don't never be sharing no deals with me. I be wanting y'all to comment some deals, what's going on and all that. Y'all need to tap in. Come on now, tap in. Let me know what deals y'all be doing. I be showing my deals. Why y'all can't show y'all deals? But that is the end of the video. With that being said, y'all, I am out. Peace.